Congratulations, you have now officially registered your Gleen Trust account. Now you need to fund your account. So, to fund your account is fairly simple, guys. All you need to do is go to investment package. Simply click on the tab and decide which package you want to start with. Let's, for example, say that you want to start with $1,000. Then you will look at the starter package. If you are going to be putting in any amount of Bitcoin from $500 to under $1,000, you would be looking at this package. Now, here at the bottom, you can see that if you put $500 in, you are looking for an expected return per week of $18. And you will see on the starter package, you're looking at 105. So simply click on buy, enter the amount of money that you would like to put into Gleen Trust, and they will also give you a breakdown. Simply click on buy and it will create an order like this. So under your deposit tabs, you will actually see an order that looks like this, and you are now required to pay the money into the Gleen Trust Capital account. If you want to find the Bitcoin address, you can simply click on investment package and the Bitcoin address is listed here. As soon as you've made the payment, go to the next video where I will show you how to verify your account. But this is how you deposit money into your Gleen Trust Capital account. Reminder, that is a Bitcoin address. You get to stake your Bitcoin inside of Gleen Trust. So all transactions must be made in Bitcoin.